Hey guys, want to sell your Shopify product straight to TikTok shop? I got you. Here's how to sync your Shopify store and start making sales through TikTok. So let's dive in. For this, install the TikTok Sales Channel app. Search for TikTok in the Shopify app store and install the TikTok Sales Channel. This app is your bridge. It connects Shopify to TikTok shop so everything syncs smoothly. Connect your TikTok shop to account. Connect your TikTok shop. Log into your TikTok shop seller account and authorize the connection. This lets both platforms talk to each other. Now you will see your Shopify products right inside the TikTok channel. Pick the ones you want to sell on TikTok. Select individual products, categories, or entire collections. Now you can use the same prices from Shopify or set custom prices just for TikTok shop. Also double check inventory levels to avoid overselling. Enable auto-sync so your TikTok shop always shows the latest prices, stock levels and products info. No manual update needed. Stay on top of inventory. Make sure stock changes in Shopify reflects instantly on TikTok. Happy customers, more sales. Before going live, review your products on TikTok shop, check images, prices and availability. Everything look good, then you are good to go. Now that your product are synced, it seems to shine. Use TikTok ads, influencers, collabs, or post engaging contents to drive traffic and boost your sales. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to TikTok shop. Follow for more tips and go get those sales.